This conference will now be recorded.
So welcome guys. This is Oracle 19c DBA workshop, which is totally free. So today I will tell you about the software things where you can download it. So this is the VirtualBox link, which you can take it and you can open the link, and from there you will get this VirtualBox website, and after that you will go to download sections, and in download sections you will see the version is 6.1.38. Okay, but my version is 6.0. Okay, so you can download it, and this is small WinXC file, and you have to execute this, and then you will download the VirtualBox. And after that I'm using Oracle 77.5. So there is a website edelivery.com, and which you can open it, and after that you can type Oracle Linux, and after that it will display this Oracle Linux 7.5, and then here you can see 64-bit total. It's 14.1 GB, but don't download everything. In that there is a first you have to take the agreement, and then in that there is a file V9753667.01. So this is the ISO image, that is only 4.1 GB. You have to download this. Okay, and when you download this, there is a downloader which comes first, that is Oracle SSN DLML, that is executable file, and after that this will allow to download, and you can choose the locations. From there you can put your download, and it will start downloading the files ISO image. So all software I have downloaded, and same way for Oracle software, you have to go to this database software download, and in that there is a file Linux 64.193.00 home.zip file. So you will download this file, and that is I have already downloaded. If you required these software, so I will give the Google Drive link. From there you can download all three softwares. Okay, and if suppose you want to take the link, so I'm just copying it and posting in the chat box, so that you can take it if you are new. Okay, so I am sending to everyone. So this is the link, which is virtualbox.org. From there you can download whatever version you want, but I prefer my is 6.0. Okay, I will show you the file name. Just give me a moment. I'm just copying the link to you guys. So this is the links. Okay. So these are the links. So you can take it from the chat box. Okay. So I have one file, because I have already downloaded the things. So that's why I need to show you by PPT. So you just take it. So I'm taking another, yeah, this one. So here you can see my executable file. My version is 6.0.22. So first I will execute this, then this window will come. Okay, I'm just increasing the size. So here it will say welcome to the Oracle VM VirtualBox 6.0.22 setup. Then you say next. When you say next, it will show you custom setup, where location will be C location. If you want to change, you can go to browse section and give the new location. Okay, and after that when you say next, it will allow to choose the following option. So better to choose everything, and then when you say next, it will give warning, so ignore that, and we will proceed. and when you will proceed it will say install. So I will click the install button and it will start installing it. Okay, so after installation it will ask to finish. So when you say finish, this pop-up will come and your virtual box successfully installed. Okay, so this is the way you will install VirtualBox. Because I have already installed and I have machines, so that's why I don't want to lose my machines. Okay, so I am opening my VirtualBox. So this is my VirtualBox location where I have my three VirtualBox already. So now I will show you how to start a new machine creation. So this is the new button. So I will click over here, or otherwise you can go to file menu, and after that there is a machine. In that you will say control N. So you have two ways to create a new virtual machine. So when I pop up this virtual machine, so here it will say name and operating system. I hope my VirtualBox screen is visible to you guys. Yeah, I think it's visible. Okay, so here I will give the name. So give meaningful name. So I have a 19C DBA workshop. So I will say 19C DBA machine. Okay, and then if you want to create another location, so I will say other, and in that we have C drive, and in D drive we will select. Okay, so here this machine will create. But if suppose you have a location, you can create a folder first and then create a machine. Okay, otherwise it will create in D location. Okay, so Microsoft Windows, I will choose Linux. So automatically Oracle 64-bit version will come, and then you say next. So when you say next, it will ask the RAM. So I will give 8 GB RAM. So 8 GB RAM means what? That is 1024 into 8. So that is 8192. 8192 MB I will pass to my machine, and then it will ask hard disk. So by default it is create a virtual hard disk. So I will choose by default location, and then it will say what is the hard disk file type. So it is VDI, no need to change, just press the next button, and then it will ask you want to fix size, you want to dynamically allocate it. So I will go with dynamic. So I will say next, and then I will create 50 GB machine for this. Okay, so 50 GB, and then I will say create. So just see, this machine is created. Okay, any doubt? One guy can take initiative and say yes or no in the chat box.
This virtual box is something like virtual VMware machine.
Yes, this is Oracle proprietary VirtualBox, and VMware is the VMware proprietary. So generally we do Oracle related things on VirtualBox because it is Oracle proprietary. So it is very familiar with Oracle product. So that's why I use VirtualBox. So it is same way. There is a means we are creating another machine inside my Windows machine with the help of VirtualBox. Yes, 8 GB RAM is mandatory for 19C. In 6 GB also you can install, in 4 GB you can also install, but it will take too much time. Okay, but minimum RAM should be 8 GB, but you can install in 4 GB also. Okay, any other questions so far? What we did, everything is clear to you guys? Okay, so I hope everything is clear now. Now before
Yes.
installing, yeah, before installing we need some settings. So I will put arrow on that machine which I have created, that is 19c-DBA. Then go to settings sections, and then it will first tab is general. In general, in basic, if suppose you want to change name something, we can change, but I don't want to change. I will go with advanced section, and I will choose bidirectional. For this, why we do, because if suppose from base machine anything I want to copy to my virtual box, so this bidirectional should be there. Otherwise you cannot copy from virtual box to host machine and host machine to virtual box. So that's why I'm doing this in advanced section. And other section I'm not changing anything, so I'm not showing. Then next tab is system. In that we just remove the floppy part and just open a hard disk and all. And then PS2 mouse, I will use a USB tablet because I want to free my mouse between host machine to virtual machine. And then RAM is already I had given. And if suppose you want to change some processor, so I will take 4 processor because I have 12 CPUs. So system is done. Display, no need to change anything. Then I will go with storage. In storage I will go to controller ID, and here I will add uh, sorry, I will take a software. So my software is this v93576.iso. Otherwise, I will go and to my software location, and this is there. So I will OK, and then it will come here. So storage section is done. Then come to controller side and use host IO cache. If suppose your RAM is less, so it will increase your processing. So that's why I'm using host IO cache. So just check this. And after that, in audio, I don't want to need audio, so I am removing it. Network, I will enable the network part, and in that I will use host only adapter, and then I will use allow all. And then uh, I will use a bridge adapter, and I will say allow all. Okay, or better to internal network if you want. So you can take internal network and internet and that. And then third you will use for internet, so you will say bridge adapter. So like 3 network port I am using. Okay, and serial port no need to change. USB port nothing, so I just enable it, disable it, sorry. Shared folder I want, because I want Oracle software. So just go to folder path, and here I will go to PC, my D drive, and in that Oracle software, and here is my Oracle software. So I will auto mount and give a name. So I will say Oracle software. Okay, and then okay. Okay, user interface, no need to do this. So now setting is done, so just do the okay. So this is the settings we need to do that. Now I will start the machine. Yes, we can change the setting later after installation also, but you need to shut down the machine. Okay, so yeah, so this is Oracle Linux 7.5 is coming. Just press the enter, and before doing anything, just escape the disk scanning, otherwise it will take time. So just come to this. So disk checking is going on. I want to abort, so press the escape button, and then it will start to loading the ISO image, starting everything. Then it will start the installer. Now first screen, welcome to Oracle Linux 7.5. Language is English, so no need to change anything in that. So just press the continue button for that. Then after that you will get so many sections. So first go with localization. In that first go to date, and in that go to India map and take it. So Asia and Kolkata will come automatically. Time is 10:50 p.m. India time. Okay, so just press the done button, and after that go to keyboard, take the English. Okay, then done. Then go to language, by default English, no need to change anything. Done. So in localization you will do this thing. Then in software section, just go to this, and my ISO image is there, so no need to change anything. Just do it. Done. And then software installation, then I will go with the server with GUI. So here I will not take anything,
Screen is
means
very
everything.
So,
small.
Ahmed, that
Yes,
screen is small. Actually, can you please maximize it?
it is maximum, I think.
No, no, not that screen. Actually, the where you are installing the setup, right? That screen is showing very small on the right side.
Now it's coming.
Not yet.
No, it's showing only as a preview. I think you need
Yes.
to select that. I don't know.
You need to show. You need to, I think, press on show, that green button. Show.
Just a minute.
If you click on show,
Now
now, then it will. I mean, no, not yet. Please click on
where is
that show button.
where?
That show button is there, right? New settings, and then show option is there, right?
Okay. So
Click on show.
yeah, I click it.
Okay, but that screen is not maximizing.
Just a second. Now
Ahmad, maybe you shared only one screen. Because of that, we are seeing only VMware, that Oracle Virtual Machine screen.
okay. Yeah, got it. Now
Yes. Yeah, now
Yeah,
it's
now it's visible. Yeah.
yeah.
yeah. Okay. So should I do again? Okay, so just what I did, go to date section, just choose the Indian map, Asia and Kolkata will come, then press the done button, then keyboard, go to English and done, then language support, English is by default, no need to change, and then installation source, already by default it's chosen, no need to change anything over there. Then software selection, go to with server with GUI, and here I will select an performance tool, network file system. If suppose anything pending, we will take later. Compatible development, system administration, and large system performance, Java platform, and hardware monitoring tools. Yeah, that's it. Okay, if suppose anything missing, we will see, because we have the facility to download RPM directly, and it will automatically do the RPM installation, do the user creation, do the kernel setting. That is easy to manage the installation of Oracle 19c when we do that. Okay, so that's why I'm choosing minimum. So now this part is done. Then go to KDUM. I don't want to enable KDUM. done. Then security policy, I don't want to on, so just off it. Okay, and network part, so here you can give the naming of the machine or host name. So what I give, 19c-DBA dot example.com. Okay, so that I will say apply, so my host name will change. Okay, that is done. Now I will go to public IP, so I will say Ethernet ENP0S3 on, and then by default it is taking 192.168.56.104. So I am just configuring the button. Then general, go to automatically connect to the network, then IPv4 setting, come to manual button and then add it. So here I will type the IP. Okay, so 192.168.56 and .21. Okay, then 255 netmask 255.255.0 gateway 0.0.0.0. Okay, save it, and I will off, make it on. Okay, then for network also make it on. Okay, I'm not passing anything on over there. Okay, so that is network part. Later we can also change it. And then installation destination, so here we do the partition, so just click on that and double click, and then I will configure the partition. Check it, this box, and then done. And then here come to standard partition and then press the plus button, and in that I will say suppose 16 GB for software installation, and then swap, I will take swap, so swap should be 1.5 times of my RAM, so I had given 1.8, so sorry 8 GB RAM I had given, so 1.5 is 15 GB, right? So just give 10 GB, no need to give more. Okay, and then boot I will give 2 GB. Okay, so this is the way we can do that. Okay, so in general practice we make hard partition for Oracle software binaries. We will use slash Oracle, and for database file we use slash ora data location for that. Okay, so but I not follow this practice, so what I do, I will make this root everything. Okay, and later I will create the directories, so I am giving 38 GB to root directly. Okay, so this is this. Oh, I missed temp actually. Okay, so temp also I want slash temp slash temp, so I'm giving 5 GB. Okay, and then for root I am giving 33 GB. Okay, G or GB, whatever. Okay, so that is my all things done. Now make it tab done, then after that it will show you, then accept the changes, press that, and then everything is done. Now begin the installation. Okay, so when you say begin the installation, it will start creating everything, partition creating, packaging, installing, installation process, it starts. So it will take around 10 minutes, so I will not stop the recording. Okay, because I want to capture every process which is coming on the screen, what stages actually it passed. So that's why I'm not stopping this installation process. Okay. So this is the way we install Oracle Enterprise Linux or Linux platform, whatever. Okay. Now, meanwhile, I will set the root password. So I'm setting root password. User creation, if you want, you can create it. And excuse me, and password also. So that is done. Now 1489 package it will install. So it will take time for installing those things. If you have any questions, you can ask regarding what activity I'm doing. Ask the question from the activity which I'm doing right now. Don't ask other than this. So it is installing the package. Excuse me.
Hey, Ahmad, Dharmen this side. So my question is, if we want to install this, DB on any VDI, on any Linux host machine. Suppose I'm installing on a cloud machine EC2 instances. So how can we do that?
That is different thing, boss. So I just already tell that ask the questions what I'm doing right now. If you ask any other thing, so that will not okay right now. You can ask me later. I will tell you.
Okay. So I think machine is in Linux itself, so that's why I was asking because I'm
No,
installing.
my machine is Windows machine. On that, I'm installing VirtualBox, Windows software, and in that I'm creating a Linux machine and I'm installing Oracle Enterprise Linux 7.5. So that I'm doing.
Okay. Okay.
So what you are getting?
No, actually I'm asking because you're already installing this, DB on the Linux machine itself. So
No,
same.
no. I'm installing on Windows machine. My base machine is Windows, boss. Okay. On that, I installed VirtualBox software. In that, I can create multiple machines with different operating system.
Yeah,
Okay.
but
So in
on
that, I'm installing one Linux machine. That Linux flavor is Oracle Enterprise Linux. That's it.
okay. Good.
Got it?
Yep. Yep. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Without VirtualBox, without VMware, you cannot create one machine into your base machine. So that's why this is the platform, or you can say one room, which I am creating on my host machine. And in that one, suppose you are building a house, okay, so without building a boundary, you cannot create a rooms in that plot actually. So that's why my base machine is Windows machine, and that is a flat plot actually. And in that I am creating a boundaries with the help of VirtualBox, and in that I'm going to install one room that is that is taking Oracle Enterprise Linux 7.5 software. Now got it?
Yep. Yep. Yeah. Thanks for explaining.
Okay. Yes, thank you. Here I can also install another flavor like Linux, Red Hat Linux also I can install. Suppose 8 version or 9 version, I think 9 is coming. So we can install another VirtualBox. If you see my VirtualBox, window. So here see that there is one machine, this is second machine, this is third machine, and this is fourth machine which is going on. Okay.
Yep. So I think multiple version of I think operating system or DB we can install on
Yeah,
one.
multiple version, multiple flare. You can install Fedora, you can install CentOS, OS, right? You can create anything.
I think one time I did this. I mean, I had installed, I think Ubuntu on VirtualBox, but it
Yeah,
was very
Ubuntu.
slow. Yeah, it was very slow when I was trying to run Ubuntu. So the
Hmm.
mouse cursor was going very slow. The typing the command was very slow. I'm not sure whether memory
So
allocate. I mean,
because of RAM, everything is slow. And also you didn't choose the free movement. I choose use tablet in the
mhm.
VirtualBox setting. So that's why your mouse is free. You can jump to your host machine. You can jump to VirtualBox. Otherwise, you have to press Control Alt every time. Okay, to release the mouse. So that's why if you choose settings and take it tablet in the box, use tablet option, so your mouse will be free. It can move to your virtual box and it can move to your host box.
Okay, okay,
And the speed is slow, it means your RAM is less or processor is less. So that's why it's taking time for
okay.
doing the
I
things.
am. Sir, can you
I
show that setting, adapter setting?
just let
Sir,
me
there is one
finish
question
this.
from my side.
Yeah,
Uh,
ask.
how most of the time we see Red Hat Linux on the systems in real time.
Mhm.
Very often we see OEL. Why it is so?
Mhm.
Is it so? Is there
Actually,
any?
I'm familiar because OEL is Oracle proprietary and it is very much flexible to install Oracle databases and all. So that's why I used to prefer Oracle Linux. It is just same copy of Red Hat Linux, so it is not different. That's why they had taken the red color, they had taken the logo. Everything is similar with Red Hat Linux. Okay, so there is no other difference. Commands are same whether you are using Red Hat Linux or whether you are using Oracle Enterprise Linux, all things are same. But because this is Oracle proprietary, so it is very much flexible with my Oracle database software installation. So for that, I'm using this. And 7.5 is very stable version, so that's why I'm going with 7.5, because 7 is allowed for 19c, 6 is not allowed for 19c. So it's up to you. You can install Red Hat Linux. So same way you will do this whatever I'm doing right now. Only the options naming may be different, but I think everything is same. You can check on my YouTube Oracle Ride where I had done Linux 8 installation. So you can go and check the VirtualBox section where Linux installation I had shown. So now everything is done and it is doing post installation setup. Okay, so just wait for few more minutes. I think it did fast, so we are lucky today. Any other questions so far? Whatever I did in that, anything is confusing or not getting, you can ask.
Yeah, hi Ahmed, Rahul this side.
Yeah, Rahul, tell me.
Ahmed, can you explain once again about the partition you did? Actually, got a little bit confused between what you deleted and what we required the most of the time. The means
Okay,
the major of the partition.
the first thing is boot is required. So you can give 1 GB, 2 GB, or you can give 500 MB. It's up to you. Okay. minimum 500 MB I think is sufficient for boot. So one partition is for /boot, and then swap is basically is the additional physical memory, and it is used when your machine RAM is full. Suppose I had given 8 GB, right? If suppose my 8 GB is full and there is no pages on that, then for processing purpose internally my swap memory will be used, and that is temporary, and after the execution the pages will roll back to that swap again. So that's why we do swap things. And generally whatever the RAM you are choosing for your virtual box, just multiply by 1.5 times. So suppose you are giving 8 GB RAM, so you can multiply 1.5. So swap is that. Okay, just hold on, I will come to that. So now reboot is asking, so I will say reboot. It will reboot the machine, and again it will go for installation page. Just wait for that, and just let me finish this, Rahul, then I will come to your question.
Sure, Ahmed.
How many had done this installation before, or you all are seeing first time?
I think first time.
Reply in the chat box, or you can speak also. Okay, so now it comes again to initial setup page. So license informations, just accept the license and done. And again, if you want to change anything in network, you have the chance. So just on it and on it. I don't know why it's off. So done, and then finish configuration. So again, it will go for booting phase, I think. No, it will come directly to this. Okay, so now go to root password, and when you type it, just let me, yeah, so yeah, so here just English, so choose next, typing next, privacy I'm taking off, then skip this online account, then start using Linux server, close it. Okay, now my screen is not bigger, so what I will do, I will go to device section, I will install the guest edition CD image. It will come like this, and we press the run button, it will open a window and it will start the VirtualBox guest edition installer. Just wait for a few minutes, and then it will install and finish, and then it will say press enter to return the key or window. So that is required to increase the screen size actually, because right now it is coming very small, so it will come as a big screen. So it is taking little bit time, because installation yeah, press return to close the window, so enter it. Now window is closed. Okay, now nothing is happened, so just eject this and then open the terminal, and to restart the machine, init 6 is the command. Okay, init 0 is shutdown, init 6 is restart the machine, shutdown and start, to take the effect of VirtualBox installer which we installed just now.
Sir, can you just show that mouse cursor setting?
Mouse cursor setting in VirtualBox machine, you are asking setting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
You can
okay.
move.
Yeah, just wait a few minutes, let me finish this. Don't worry, I'm recording this session and you can see later. Root R. Yes. Now see, my screen is bigger. Got it?
Yeah,
Now
looks
go to view section, sorry, edit section, profile preference, go to custom font. I want to increase the size of custom font, so 20, and then I want bold, so that is just okay. So now perfect. Now I want to check my host name. So this is 19cdba.example.com. I want to make it my network is going on or not. It is not working. Okay, ignore it. Then df minus h. So this is the partition, Rahul, you are talking about. So see that
Exactly.
I had given yeah, I was talking about boot. So I had given slash boot. So that is the first partition, we take it, that is 2 GB. And then temp location, I had slash temp, I had given 5 GB, these two things. And then free minus m, then swap I had given 10 GB. So these three partition we did, right? And after that I had given slash, this is starting partition of mount point all. So I had given 28 GB, right? And if I say pwd, so the starting point is slash, so that slash is showing this one, that root actually. Okay, and I want to move to Ahmad, so su hyphen Ahmad. Now cpwd, so it will start from slash home slash Ahmad, like that. So always starting point is slash, forward slash. Okay, so that is, just exit it from this. Yeah, now I'm stopping this machine, init 0. Now VirtualBox is shutting down. Okay, now VirtualBox shut down. Now here I'm coming to machine, go to settings section, and this one, go to system, and there pointing device. So I had chosen USB tablet. So please remember this. If you choose this, then your mouse will be free to move in, to move out your VirtualBox. Clear?
Yes, sir. Thanks.
Okay. So that is all about Oracle VirtualBox installation. Any other question, guys? So today we did VirtualBox installation, then virtual machine settings, then virtual machine creation, then in that Oracle Enterprise Linux 7.5 we installed. Okay, so let me start again the machine. So when you say start, it will start the machine. So now log in Ahmad also, because if you didn't log in, so it will ask when suppose you log in Ahmad, so it will ask again the steps which we did for root. So let we finish this all Ahmad also. So it asks about this page. Just type English, privacy off, next, escape, start using. Okay, close it. Okay, and here this is the logout button. Go to here Ahmad and log out from this. Okay, so like that you can log out, and root will not be listed. You have to type the root username and then r, but the sorry, root and then password. Okay, so this is the terminal, and see this software we mount it. So just go to cd/media, and in that this software is there, then press ls, So I have many software. So this is my software, Linux DB home zip file. Okay, because we mount my host folder to VirtualBox, so that's why it is showing here. Clear? So exit, and there is a one file, cat etc hosts. Okay, so this is no IP is there, so we need to put IPs here and save it. So we will see later. And why internet is not working, just go to this, Ethernet is off. Okay, so connect this off, connect. Now let me check internet is working or not. Now it's working. Okay, now I can open internet also in that. So just go to here, Firefox web browser is there, and here, see, it's coming. Let me Google. Yeah, it's working fine. Clear, guys?
Yeah, clear.
Okay, any other questions so far? Yeah, someone asked about network part, right? Go to here in setting and then go to network. So see that first I had given host only adapter and then allow all. Then adapter 2 I had internal network. So I use this allow all, and then bridge network and allow all. Okay, so this is the setting we did that. Okay, so it's not recommended, only for network you can enable. Then that's it, you can use one adapter for internet, otherwise no need to do this. Okay, so that's it for today's session. Actually I want to start from the practical, and you guys can do the practice if you are new. uh, if you join my WhatsApp group, free WhatsApp group, there is a name, so you can join, and I will share the Google Drive link where my all software is there, so you can download. Otherwise you I have posted the link also, so you can download from this also. Okay, we got 410 registration and the people are 53 only. No worries, I was afraid if everyone is joining, so how I will manage, because 410 registration, 10 plus registration I got this free workshop. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so then next session will be on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday 10:30. Okay, so generally we do 1 hour or 45 minutes like that, whatever the task I prepare decided for this. So I hope you learn something new today. So you have two options, either you can sit and watch, or otherwise you can do simultaneously with me practicals. So that is good for you guys. Okay, but I'm not troubleshoot. I will not troubleshoot to your errors if you are doing with me simultaneously. Okay, because it will distract the session. And if you have any question, please ask, otherwise I will log off this meeting.
Yeah, MS sir.
Yes.
We are good.
You are going to
Okay, thanks for actually online training is very boring because I'm not present in front of you, you are not present in front of me. We are seeing only the screen, so that's why two-way communication is required. So if you are speaking, it's very good. Interactive session will be, so that I will enjoy, you will also enjoy. If you ask the questions, I will try to tell the answer. If suppose I don't know, I will say I will tell you next day, because maybe I don't know what you are asking. So I will read it and I will reply on next day. So I'm not hesitate to accept that I don't know. So that is my way of teaching. And you can check my Oracle Ride YouTube channel, where I have posted almost 50 videos, so you can watch it and you can see what the way I did that. So yeah, any other questions,
Uh,
guys?
yeah. So just one thing. Will you post this recording link on the WhatsApp channel, or I think on the email for itself?
Yeah, on YouTube I will upload if everything is perfect in this recording. So I will upload on Oracle, right?
Okay, great.
Can you
Thank you.
please share WhatsApp link?
Okay, WhatsApp link.
Yeah.
uh, okay, I just off this.